This sharbat is not just a drink but a symbol of love. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to make summer special drink Mohabbat Ka Sharbat. This is a popular refreshing drink specially enjoyed during summer. This refreshing drink combines the cooling properties of watermelon with the health benefits of sabja seeds and very easy to prepare. So let's make the recipe. Take 2 teaspoons of sabja seeds in a small bowl, add 1/3 cup of water and let them soak for 10 minutes. Sabja seeds have natural cooling properties, making them perfect for summer. They help reduce body heat and prevent dehydration. Now in a pan, I am taking 2 cups of milk and 3 tablespoons of sugar. Bring the milk to a boil, stirring occasionally to dissolve the sugar. Ensure the sugar is fully melted. Once boiled, turn off the heat and allow the milk to cool down completely. Let the milk cool down completely before using. After cool down completely, you can keep in fridge for 10 minutes. Now take some fresh watermelon and cut into small pieces. Carefully remove the seeds. Cut the watermelon into small bite-sized cubes for easy mixing. For a smoother texture, you can also blend the watermelon into a juice. Set it aside until ready to use in the sharbat. Watermelon is an excellent fruit to stay hydrated. It helps to prevent dehydration, especially summer days or in Ramadan. Now in a bowl, pour the cold milk. Add 3 tablespoons of ruafza and mix well until it's fully combined. It will give a pinkish color and aromatic fragrance to the sharbat. It also gives floral sweetness to the sharbat. Mix very well until the ruafza is fully dissolved. Now add the soaked sabja seeds and mix them. Mix very well so they are evenly distributed. There are more recipes of summer refreshing drink on my channel. You can watch them. I hope you will like the recipes. Friends, from which country you are watching my recipe, you can tell me in the comment section below. You can add ice cubes to make the drink extra refreshing. The ice will also help to keep the sharbat cool for longer. Now add the prepared watermelon and mix very well. Mix everything very well. Once well mixed, the Mohabbat Ka Sharbat is ready to serve. You can serve it chilled or with ice cubes. Pour the prepared sharbat mixture into the glasses and serve. If you enjoy the recipe, then like my video and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for updates on new recipes.